There are many colleges in India that offer a course in journalism and mass communication, but there are a few top colleges that have a rigorous journalism curriculum and high quality placements. Here is the list of top colleges in journalism. Asia's second largest scrub jungle, having a 365-acre campus and known for its flora and fauna. We are talking about Madras Christian College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Established in 1837, Madras Christian College is one of the oldest surviving colleges in Asia. It is actively used by botany and zoology departments for practical work. Degree offered in journalism: Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, BSc in Visual Communication. Admission criteria: Admission is based on merit. Students should score at least 45 to 50% in 10+2. A score of 85% and above in 10+2 is a good score and increases your chance of getting selected. Lady Shri Ram College for Women, New Delhi. It is a well-recognized and highly reputed college of higher learning for women in India. Popular courses are Social Sciences, Arts, Humanities and Commerce, Journalism, and Psychology. Journalism and Psychology courses are among its strengths. Admission is done on the basis of marks obtained in class 12th. The aggregate required for admission will be calculated on the basis of marks secured in best of 4 subjects, which includes language, marks secured in the subject in which the admission is being taken, and marks secured in other 2 electives. Christ University, Bangalore. Recognized as an institution with potential for excellence by University Grants Commission. Christ University, Bangalore is a highly reputed college offering courses in management, science, humanities, law, and more. Admission criteria: Apart from class 12 scores, students are also required to appear for Christ University entrance exam. Cut-off scores are very high, 85% and above. In Christ College, courses in media are offered in combination with other courses as well. Bachelor of Arts in Media Studies, Economics and Political Science. Bachelor of Arts in Communication and Media and English Psychology. Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, Psychology and English. Bachelor of Arts Honours in Journalism. Admission for Bachelor of Arts in Communication and Media and BA Honours program is based on entrance test, academics, skill assessment and personal interview. Symbiosis Center for Media and Communication. SCMC, established in 2008, is affiliated to Symbiosis International University. Admission is based on entrance test conducted by the institute known as SET. SET registrations begins in January and closes in May. Application process is done online. From 2013 to 2017, SCMC was ranked as India's best mass communication college by the annual survey for India Today and Nielsen Company. Manipal School of Communication. The Outlook Survey 2015 has listed the School of Communication among the top 5 media institutions in the country. It has achieved 100% placement of graduates every year. Manipal School of Communication has tie-up with many foreign universities. This brings us to the end of the video. We mentioned a few top colleges which are good for undergraduate courses in journalism and mass communication. If you want to know more details, then you can visit the website of each college that we mentioned. As a career counselor, I would suggest you to make notes about each college. Go to the college website, make notes about the course fees, college campus, median salary, extracurricular activities, and faculty. A little research about these colleges will give you some more information that we might have missed. In the next video, we will tell you the names of a few more good colleges for postgraduate courses in journalism and mass communication. So don't forget to subscribe.